Hello, in this video we are going to show you the essential communication skills for an interview. In order to conduct an interview effectively, journalists need a wide range of communication skills. The first one being active listening. Active listening is paramount as it enables journalists to fully understand the interviewee's answers and identify follow-up questions. By really listening, journalists can respond thoughtfully and dig deeper into the issue, ultimately creating a better and more readable article. The second one is clear and concise questioning, as this is also essential for journalists who want to ask open-ended questions that encourage detailed answers while avoiding overly complex or misleading questions. This will help to gain valuable insight and comprehensive answers about the topic. The third most important thing is non-verbal communication skills, such as maintaining eye contact, nodding, and using appropriate facial expressions in order to help build rapport and make the interviewee feel heard and respected. These cues can encourage the interviewee to open up and answer the questions more honestly, all in all leading to a better interview. The next tip is to have empathy and patience. These are essential in creating a comfortable interview environment where the interviewee and the interviewer also feels comfortable. Understanding and respecting the interviewee's perspective builds trust and encourages openness. Finally, the last tip is adaptability, as this is key. Journalists need to be able to think on their feet quickly and adjust their questions based on the flow of the interview in order to ensure that they capture the most relevant and insightful information. Taken together, these communication skills enable journalists to conduct thorough, respectful, and effective interviews. We hope this video helped you to make better interviews in the future. See you next time.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope we could help you writing your article.
And if you have any question, feel free to contact us.
And also, if you would like to learn more about journalism, don't forget to watch the other videos as well.